Good day. Welcome to. My name is Stanley Hazolike Stanley, and this is my Project Nexus explainer video. So this is my e-commerce website. For me, at the very beginning, I wanted to have an e-commerce system that have a light and dark theme. So what I did was to ensure I had to define my colors or my theme. I did that in theme/color.ts. So what I did was that I have a kind of a theme where the navbar, if I'm in a dark theme, the navbar will have a white background and black text, and the footer will also have a white background and a dark text, while the body will be dark. And for the other one, which is the light theme, the reverse will be the case. So the next I did in that the home, I had the hero product, which I also fetched from the API. That's from the API, so that it's not hard coded. And then I had it such that it can be a product that would change at kind of intervals. And then I now fetched the home page, as I call it, new Araba page anyway. I fetched for desktop, I fetched 8 products. That's when it loads at the first time. But if you want to have other products anyway, you click on view more, and then that's about the home page. And you could also see that I had to put on the category tabs at this home page anyway, so you can actually go by categories. And then you click on add to cart. You can see I already have 3 there, 4, and when you click again, it's not going to add, because it's such a way that you can only add one product from add to cart. And then we can click on each of them to go to the product details page, where we will see the details, the product details, and we can also change from one to another, and then see different parts of either the back or the front or side of the product, though this is a headphone I'm dealing with. And we can also increase it here, maybe add to increase the product, or we can also decrease it there. And then we can also click to add to cart here, and then from there we can go to, let's just go to the cart. We go to the cart. This is our shopping cart, and in our shopping cart we can also decrease or increase the product quantity. We can decrease here, and then remove the product as well, either by delete. And then from there we can go to our checkout. You can see sums up to give us these are some. We have a total of 4 items, because Samsung here is 1 and then Sony is 3. When we proceed to checkout, it also works, and it works that I cannot check out until I fill the information. You see this is grayed out, so I decided to fill my information. For instance, let me fill this in, and I had to use Paystack to implement a fake payment system, which actually works very well. So we push it to load, and then I can also decide to use bank authentication, but it's already on card, and then I click on pay and to see, and then I authenticate it to see if it works. Then yes, I already have a success message that it worked, payment successful. You can also go to our wish list to see items added on wish list. We can also remove them from there, remove them from the wish list. Then we can also go to all product pages, which is more or less almost the same thing from the home page. We can also source from high to low, or from low to high, whichever we want to do, and then that is basically